Ugly, worthless failure? To you, I am nothing more than words. You sit behind the walls of your computer screen, and I've sat here all alone, hating myself, hating the version of me that you portray. Trashy, stupid, useless, words that I've heard all too many times. For the person that has spewed these insults has lost the ability to be kind.
Are you okay? What she said to you is not alright.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Where were you?
School.
I needed your help with the dogs.
Sorry, it's with friends.
Friends.
Since when did you have any friends?
Hideous, vile, wretched? The insults you produce come from insecurities deep, deep inside of you. I have waited idly for too long, been victim to your self-hate. Beautiful, pleasant, kind, I see right through you. The words you call me are nothing more than shams. I used to think that you spoke from the heart. Those insults are inside of you. It was never about me, it was you from the start. Pretty, graceful, charming. I realize now I am more than your words. For I am not what you say. You send your hatred my way to cover up your fear. I am more than your words. I am more than your fear.
Carl? Where are you? Carl? 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 Carl?